The 2016 London mayoral election was held on 5 May 2016 to elect the Mayor of London on the same day as the London Assembly election. It was the fifth election to the position of mayor, which was created in 2000 after a referendum in London. The election used a supplementary vote system. The election was won by the Member of Parliament for Tooting, Sadiq Khan, a member of the Labour Party, who polled 56.8% of the votes in the head-to-head second round of voting over the MP for Richmond Park, Zach Goldsmith, a member of the Conservative Party. Goldsmith was more than 25% ahead of the next candidate in the first round of voting, as part of a record field of 12 candidates. Of the 12 candidates, only Khan, Goldsmith, and Green Party candidates Jan Berry achieved the requisite 5% minimum first-round vote share to retain their deposit. This was the first election to not feature either of the two previous holders of the office, Ken Livingstone and Boris Johnson, who had run against each other in 2008 and 2012. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.